Ever wonder what it takes to move the impossible? Think about hauling enough dirt to fill a football stadium, or transporting gear so massive it could topple buildings. Now imagine doing it every single day. These aren't ordinary trucks. They're the giants of the industrial world, built to carry loads heavier than your wildest imagination. But here's a question. What makes these machines so unstoppable? Is it their raw horsepower, their cutting-edge engineering, or the fearless drivers behind the wheel? Are they as reliable as they look? Or are they hiding some surprising weaknesses? And here's the big one. Are they powerful or just overkill? You'll decide as we dive into the world of the heaviest trucks on the planet, from mining monsters that eat gravel for breakfast to road trains that rule the highways. Let's dive in! Let's start with the undisputed giants of the mining industry. First up, we have the Belazy 75710, a beast that redefines the word massive. Manufactured in Belarus, this ultra-class haul truck is a true titan. Standing 26 feet tall and stretching nearly 67 feet long, it's comparable to stacking 2 full-sized houses on wheels. But its size isn't just for show. The Belazy holds the world record for the largest payload capacity at a staggering 450 metric tons. To put that into perspective, it can carry the weight of 75 elephants or an entire commercial airplane. No wonder it's the pride of the mining world. What powers this Leviathan? Underneath its enormous frame are 2 16-cylinder diesel engines, each churning out 2,300 horsepower, for a combined total of 4,600 horsepower. These engines drive a unique electric transmission system that delivers incredible torque. But here's the kicker. The Belazy needs 8 massive tires, each standing 13 feet tall and costing a whopping $42,000 apiece just to function. Its fuel tank holds over 1,300 gallons. In just 12 hours of operation, the Belazy's rival is the equally impressive Caterpillar 797F, an iconic truck hailing from the US. With a payload capacity of 400 tons, it's slightly smaller but no less impressive. Powered by a colossal 20-cylinder diesel engine producing 4,000 horsepower, the 797F can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. A remarkable feat for something weighing more than a blue whale. What sets the 797F apart is its reliability. Designed to endure the toughest conditions, this truck is a favorite in mines worldwide. One of these machines can move as much earth in an hour as a standard bulldozer does in an entire day, making it a symbol of efficiency in the mining industry. But why stop there? Mining trucks like these are also evolving. Companies are now experimenting with autonomous driving systems, allowing these behemoths to operate without human drivers, increasing safety and productivity. With innovations like these, the future of mining is set to be even more colossal. If mining trucks rule the pits, then road trains are the undisputed kings of highways. Nowhere are they more dominant than in Australia, where the vast and rugged outback demands a transportation solution as extreme as the landscape itself. A standard road train consists of 3 or more trailers hitched together, but some stretch to over 170 feet long, making them longer than a football field. And if you think driving one of these is tough, imagine doing it on some of the most unforgiving roads in the world. Australia holds the record for the heaviest road train ever assembled. Pulled by a Kenworth C501, this monstrous convoy included 113 trailers weighing a jaw-dropping 1,400 tons. That's equivalent to hauling 20 fully loaded school buses in a single trip. These trucks aren't just about size, they're also about resilience. Designed to handle extreme heat, uneven terrain, and grueling distances, road trains are powered by engines producing over 600 horsepower, with some featuring advanced cooling systems to prevent overheating in the scorching outback. But the challenges don't end there. Drivers, often referred to as kings of the highway, must navigate tight corners, avoid wildlife like kangaroos, and maintain focus during journeys that can last several days. Many road trains are equipped with GPS systems, radar technology, and reinforced braking systems to ensure safety. Despite these advancements, it takes immense skill and experience to handle these mammoth rigs. In fact, becoming a certified road train driver in Australia requires specialized training and licensing. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. Now let's talk about the real record breakers. Trucks designed for the world's most extraordinary hauling challenges. These aren't just vehicles, they're engineering marvels. Take, for example, the trucks used to transport wind turbine blades. These blades can measure up to 390 feet long, requiring precision and patience to navigate through mountainous terrains and narrow roads. Each move is a logistical masterpiece, often involving weeks of planning and coordination. Then there are the trucks that handle even more mind-blowing tasks. In Norway, a specialized heavy hauler transported a 15,000-ton oil platform module across the country. This operation required a custom-built vehicle with over 500 wheels, all synchronized to move as one. The sheer weight and size of the load meant that the hauler moved at a snail's pace, but the success of such missions underscores the incredible capabilities of these machines. And for space enthusiasts, let's not forget the trucks used by NASA. These specialized vehicles transport rocket boosters to launch sites, carrying the future of space exploration on their backs. Each of these operations is a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of pushing boundaries. Operating these heavyweight champions isn't just about turning a key and stepping on the gas. These trucks face challenges that would cripple ordinary vehicles. For starters, fuel consumption is astronomical. The Bell AZ 75710, for instance, guzzles over 1,300 gallons of diesel during a 12-hour shift. That's enough fuel to power a small town for a day, and let's not even get started on maintenance. Replacing a single mining truck tire can cost upwards of $40,000, and a full set of 8 tires for a truck like the Bell AZ could set you back over $300,000. Then there are the environmental and logistical challenges. These trucks often operate in extreme conditions, from the icy tundras of Siberia to the scorching deserts of Australia. They need to withstand not just harsh weather, but also constant wear and tear from carrying massive loads. Innovations like hybrid diesel-electric engines and autonomous driving technology are helping to address these challenges, making these giants more efficient and environmentally friendly. So, who takes the crown as the ultimate heavyweight? Is it the Bell AZ 75710 with its record-breaking payload capacity and cutting-edge engineering? The Caterpillar 797F, a symbol of reliability and power in the mining industry? Or perhaps the Australian Roadtrains, proving that size and endurance go hand in hand? Each of these trucks has its own unique story and purpose, and choosing a winner is no easy task. Then there are the specialized haulers that defy imagination, moving loads that seem impossible to transport. Whether it's a wind turbine blade, an oil platform, or rocket components, these trucks demonstrate that there's no such thing as too heavy. Now it's your turn. Which of these trucks blew your mind the most? Is there a record-breaking heavy hauler we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of the heaviest trucks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible content. Trust us, this is just the beginning of our journey into the world of extreme machines.